So on your left, you have Fremont. Fremont Hall is the College of Agriculture, Food, and Environmental Sciences residence hall, but has been closed since the winter of 2017 due to a landslide.
Excuse me, what caused the landslide?
Good question. There are a lot of factors that go into forming a landslide, but the main factors are slope, soil type, land management practices, vegetation, and precipitation amount. Before we get into this landslide specifically, let's talk about landslides in general.
The more correct terminology for a landslide is mass wasting. Mass wasting refers to any rock or sediment that is moving downhill after hillside failure. It is split into 5 different categories: falls, topples, slides, lateral spreads, and flows, each having their own characteristics. This graph shows this. As you can see, the other axis of the graph is the material the mass wasting occurs on. This material plays a huge role in the intensity and frequency of events. Let's discuss the specifics of the event that took place behind Fremont Residence Hall. The hill was approximately 600 feet tall with a steep slope. In 2017, SLO saw record-setting amounts of precipitation which saturated the soil. The dominant soil type of vertisols are more prone to cracking and susceptible to landslides than others. As you can see, there was also a lack of erosion-reducing vegetation on the hillside, which added to the factors causing the slide.
Wow, that sounds really interesting. Can we go check out where the landslide was?
Sure thing, let's go check it out.
This event was a slide, more specifically a rotational slump. It was moving at moderate speed of about 1.5 meters per day. As the slide was occurring, Cal Poly officials removed some of the trees threatening the building and sediment in an attempt to keep the building open. During the landslide, a retaining wall was built to protect the residence hall, but it was not enough. The slide continued on and began to touch the building. It was then declared unsafe to live there, and the building was soon evacuated. After the evacuation, significant amounts of material were removed to try to stabilize the hillside.
Excuse me, I actually have a question. My son is gonna go here, and I'm a little worried if the hillside is gonna fall on him. I don't really want him to live here if the hillside's just gonna fall onto his building. What's Cal Poly doing about this?
So that's a fair concern. So Cal Poly also had that concern, and they figured that they would have to have better mitigation measures in order to ensure the student safety that live in the other buildings around Fremont. So what they ended up doing is creating a drainage system that occurred halfway between here and the ridge
In order to divert water away from the hillside.
Now this concludes our segment on the tour on the red bricks. If anyone doesn't have any other questions, let's go to the towers.
Till the landslide.